Democracy is a form of government in which all citizens have an equal say in the decisions that affect their lives. It allows us to participate equally in the creation of laws. The term originates from the Greek demokratia, which was coined from demos, people, and kratos, power, people's power. And the concept is still the same today. Every 4 years, we can choose between 2 or more candidates and give them our vote. And after the elections, we have a new politician. And we have to be careful, because we are literally choosing our own future. And many things can go very wrong if you support the wrong people. So by now we know that we have to be very conscious when we vote. But it's okay, because it's only every 4 years. Or so we think. Nowadays, we decide to support people and ideas from the supermarket. For instance. So, every time you use money, you are literally voting. And each time you buy something, you decide to give power to some people. I know, now you might feel like, but the truth is, everything we do has an influence somewhere. Or to say it with the words of a dear friend,
whatever life holds in store for me, I will never forget these words. With great power comes great responsibility. This is my gift, my curse. Who am I? I'm Spider-Man.